It's Friday morning. I'm heading off to work. And there's that loud Trans Am. Me and JK are on the road headed to Waterfest. For those who don't know, Waterfest is presented by APR, which is a Volkswagen tuning company. They're not exclusive to Volkswagen. It's gonna be drag racing, autocrossing, sound offs, contests for just cars. There's gonna be vendors there. It's supposed to take up a whole entire sports complex or auto complex. What are they called?
Raceway complex? I don't know. I don't know what it's called.
Auto sport complex. It has a complex of its own.
It's a complex and a complex.
It's a complex situation, you could say. This will be the first time that I'm meeting the Mangs, is what I'm going to call them. It's a group of friends that me and JK have that we met through PS4. He has already met them on a couple occasions, going up to Jersey or going out to Vegas and hanging out with our whole group. We also have another friend up here named Tim. Tim is the Mang's dog. He's at their beck and will. He just follows Mang around like a little puppy. The Welcome Center in Maryland doesn't feel very welcome. Step up your game, Maryland. Hello. Cute. So we're headed to Waterfest right now. We made it to Waterfest and we're walking to the actual events. I might end up upgrading my car. I might not. We'll find out. We just finished up at Waterfest. About to head out to a place called Shut Up and Eat It. Don't leave your children unattended here. Having JK take over, I'm getting a little tired, so I figured it would be best.
So many nuts everywhere. You think it's Miley's birthday party?
So yes, if you like these vlogs, subscribe or hit the like button. somewhere. Subscribe will be somewhere around this general area.